Okay, so I've done a few tests now and I think I've got it. I am in Jackson Park or Jackson Square Park. I should probably find out the name of the park. But where I am is I'm in the West Village, which is my favorite neighborhood in all of New York City. I still have more neighborhoods to explore, but ever since I first came here, I was in love. So this will probably be my favorite no matter what. But I am going to see if this video goes well, and if so, I'm going to post it on my site. And if I'm going to do these video vlogs, it's not going to be replacing my blog. It's going to be sort of a supplement to it, welcoming you all into what I think will be my new hobby. So this hobby started because of this. The 12 bottle bar. It is one of my favorite gifts I received this year for my 30th birthday. Yay! 30, dirty 30? Dirty 30 is what they call it. I don't know. Doesn't feel right coming out of my mouth, so I haven't been saying it. I don't even know why I bothered to say it this time. But anyway, my great friend Corey bought me this book because he loves me and he knows how much I love a good drink. And I think probably he heard me talking about how I got these Prohibition era decanters that I love, these antique glass decanters that are fabulous. And this book focuses on that time. Well, actually pre-Prohibition. So it talks about the classic cocktails, the golden age when drinks first became cool, the mid 1800s up until 1920. So it kind of reminds me of a self-help book with the funny little anecdotes and sort of encouraging you to embrace why what they're saying can be good for you, like your whole life holistically, which is kind of asking a lot of cocktails, but it's still pretty cool. So I am hoping to explore this book and maybe make some videos with this new hobby of me acquiring the materials that I need to make the drinks and then actually making the drinks. And so we'll have fun. We'll talk about what the 12 bottles are that they say you need. It's not the ones you think. And then also just learning the drinks and maybe throwing a real cocktail party if I can convince my friends to let me put them in my videos. So we'll see. First cool fact I learned from this book: cocktail is a drink. The cocktail is a drink that has its own name, and since that time they've taken the name and applied it to every mixed beverage ever. But the cocktail is an actual drink, and if I can acquire the materials to make it, the ingredients, I'm going to say ingredients, but I also need a Boston shaker, which I didn't even know what that was until this book. But the ingredients and the materials I will acquire, and maybe that'll be the first drink that we can have together. And maybe you can join me and tell me if you like these cocktails, or maybe you can even improve upon the originals, which I would love to hear about. So we're going to take a walk now so I can find out what the name of this park actually is. It's so beautiful here, by the way. If you can see what's going on behind me, people just come to people watch. And then there's this fountain with Halloween masks on it. Ugh, I love the village. So much character all the time. And then there's this archway with something hung. What is this? Oh, that is a rooster. A rooster that's there for Halloween, I guess. Okay. No smoking within the park. No fumar dentro del parque. Don't judge my Spanish. Park closes at 10. Oh, here we go. Finally, a sign. I know what park this is now. Jackson Square Park. Yay. I gotta get better at using this front camera. There we go. So, hopefully you all enjoyed this first video, and if I like it, I'll do more. So, see you guys next time. Bye.